gather around, let me tell you about Mr. Eng. He's the math maestro, got that stat slang in the classroom. He drops knowledge bombs, equations flying like beats, setting off alarms.
Hey Room 905, this is PRECALC support, Mr. Eng Savanna. Well, hey guys, I'm Mr. Eng. You guys can learn more about me in this link down here. This video is to help you guys explain this note-taking guide and videos for the next couple of weeks. This also serves as tips to help you be successful. What are some tips? Write down the problem. Well, you already have it printed for you. Show your work and box your answer. Do it step by step. Any math teacher would be happy with that. Build your confidence, right? You do a couple examples with the teacher and then you can go on your own. Follow along or eventually Zoom to check your answers. Hey guys, don't cheat yourself of the learning process. That's part of math. Hey, you might need to form your own study groups. Do that during class with the teacher's permission, or if the teacher's still there, do that after school. Mrs. Kuchiprez and myself can help you guys on a limited basis. Also, Mr. Halankar says that you guys will have assignments and assessments through Khan Academy, so check that periodically. Let's talk about this week at a glance. Each week you'll have a new week at a glance. It will have a suggested schedule and note-taking guide packet. Also below, you will find a Google document link to access the videos that match your note-taking guide. Let me show you guys. Okay, here is a YouTube video. Go down to the description and then I just read you guys all of this stuff here. But what you're trying to get down to is where it says Google Doc. And then right here, you're gonna try to copy that hyperlink. I'm hoping it just links and you can just click on this. Okay, you're gonna get a Google document. Go ahead and write your name and period. This printed packet or guided notes. This is just the digital version of that. So no school Monday, Tuesday, I want you guys to do degrees versus radians and convert degrees to radians. Each sub, they might have a stamp for you, or you might just turn in this whole packet by the end of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Go down here. Anytime there is in blue, it is a hyperlink. Click on it. Bring your Chromebook and your headphones charged every day. It'll be a video, copy it, go down to here, another video, same thing. And then you're going to do a bunch of examples. Same thing. It's going to have the solutions for you. You do it step by step. You'll even hear me teaching in a live class, calling on students. And do all of these. And eventually you're going to, you won't need it. You can just use a video to check your answers. Things called lesson quizzes, just pause it and just see if you can do those on your own without any support. Zoom to the end of the video to check your answers. You'll convert radians to degrees, degrees minutes and seconds, arc length, and then you have a word problem with pizza slices. And this follows your textbook, so if you need some additional support, you can do that too. Good luck. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
It's lonely at the top, all of my enemies have been defeated. This math has been sitting in my head for too long, it's starting to give me these lesions. Follow the formula these reasons. Stay solving and uncovering all of the reasons. Multiplication, division, subtraction, and then we got fractions and algebra. Double seven, I got the angles, I'm busting, finding the key. I'm almost breaking and finding the answer solutions. I'm ready to uncover the problem. Open up, knock, knock here, cause the number 9, nearly 1, 2, 4, oh no. Making a mess, my counting the best. I guess I should clean this all up and go home.